This time, ang gagawin natin is mag-a-add tayo ng page numbers sa document. Okay, what I did is I prepared an 8-pager document. Okay, with spread. So, let's start. What you have to do is just to go to your Pages panel. So, ito yung Pages panel nyo. If you cannot see your Pages panel, punta lang kayo sa Windows menu, then go to Pages. Okay. So, there. Now, you go to the master page. So, yan, mag-appear ang master page ninyo. Ang page number usually are placed at the bottom part of the document. Sa bottom left or bottom right. But in our case, just for demonstration purposes, we'll make it bigger and I'll put it on top. Okay, I actually prepared already a path na paglalagay ng ating page number. So, ito siya. Okay, so I'll just zoom it in. So, what you will do now is to grab your type tool, then create a text area, and then you go to type. You go to insert special character, then you go to markers, and choose current page number. Okay, makikita nyo yung text na yan. So, what you'll do is to modify the text accordingly doon sa inyong liking kung paano siya mag-appear doon sa inyong page. So, in my case, I'll go to my character. Siguro I'll make it bolder and bigger. Okay, so yan. And siguro, I'll make it white. Okay, because of I have a dark background. Okay, I'll just go to my paragraph to center it. Okay, so you already know how to do that. Okay, I'll make it more bigger. Siguro I'll make it 72. Ayan. Okay, so yan yung page. Diyan mag-a-appear yung page number ninyo sa kaliwa ng spread. So, at the right side, okay, all I'll have to do is to copy it at the right side. Okay, I just did Alt Shift Drag. Okay, in order for me to copy the properties of the page number at the left to the right of the document. O, yan yung inyong master page. When you go back to your current page, again yung master, let's go to the current page. Ayan, makikita nyo na may page numbers na ang inyong document. So, this will be page 1, okay, this will be page 2, this is page 3, and so on and so forth. Alright, so I hope you learned something today. Thank you.